I am Manoj Kumar Behra, subject expert mechanics from NKD Education. So in my previous classes, I have discussed some aspects and concepts about friction, different types of friction, and equilibrium of a body in a rough inclined plane when force is applied along the inclined plane. Today we will discuss some more aspects about inclined plane or equilibrium of a force, equilibrium of a body in inclined plane. That is horizontal force for equilibrium. That means when a body is resting on an inclined plane and the force is applied parallel to the horizontal plane or force is applied parallelly or horizontally. We will solve the conditions, we will discuss the conditions here. In previous classes, we have applied effort along the inclined plane, but in my today's class, we will discuss inclined plane will be there. Body, as usual, will rest on that inclined plane, rough inclined plane, but the effort will be applied horizontally. Horizontal means parallel to the horizontal plane. Parallel to the horizontal plane. See here. Likewise, in my previous class, P minimum will be there, P maximum will be there. P minimum will be there in which condition? When we have to hold the body in its own position. And similarly, friction will happen in which direction? Friction will happen along the inclined plane towards upward. Let us draw the weight. This is W. Let this angle is theta. That means the inclined plane which is making an angle with the horizontal, and normal reaction as usual. So this is all about the forces and reaction. The next aspect is W, the components of W. Let me draw the components of W along the inclined plane and parallel to the inclined plane. From the geometry of the figure, this theta, this angle theta will also be equal to this angle. That will also be theta. This component will be a component of W perpendicular to the inclined plane will be W cos theta, and this will be W sin theta. The effect of W here vanishes since we have made two components of W, that is a perpendicular component and a horizontal component or along the inclined plane. See, we have now Rn, frictional force, P minimum is there. So P minimum will be having two components. Since this P minimum is making also theta degree to the inclined plane, or this angle theta will make it. So P minimum will be having two components. One is P. Let me draw P cos theta, and along this direction P sin theta. So this is all about the geometry of the figure. Now see, we know mu is equal to F by Rn. That means we have to find out F and find out Rn value. Afterwards we will solve. See, let me write first. We know mu equal to tan alpha, which is equal to sin alpha by cos alpha. We will come to this part. See, resolve all the forces along the inclined plane. See here f plus p cos theta is equal to w sin theta. F plus p cos theta is equal to w sin theta, implies that f is equal to w sin theta minus p cos theta. Make it equation 1. Similarly, resolve all the forces perpendicular to the inclined plane. Perpendicular to the inclined plane, we have Rn which is going above and w cos theta p sin theta which is coming downward. So this upward force will be equal to summation of these two downward forces. That means Rn is equal to w cos theta plus p sin theta. Make it equation number 2. Here mu is equal to f by Rn, which is equal to sin alpha by cos alpha. See, putting the equation 1 and equation 2 in this equation, we have f by Rn, which is also equal to sin alpha by cos alpha is equal to so here mu equal to f by Rn, which is equal to sin alpha by cos alpha. The value of f is here w sin theta minus p cos theta, and Rn value is here w cos theta plus p sin theta. After cross multiplication, we have cos alpha whole into w sin theta minus p cos theta, which is equal to sin alpha whole into w cos theta plus p sin theta, implies that cos alpha dot w sin theta minus cos alpha dot p cos theta, which is equal to sin alpha dot w cos theta plus sin alpha dot p sin theta. See, here we will be getting w terms and p terms. Taking common the w and p terms, here we have cos alpha dot w sin theta minus sin alpha dot w cos theta, which is equal to sin alpha dot p sin theta plus cos alpha dot p cos theta. So what will happen here? Taking common w, cos alpha dot sin theta minus sin alpha dot cos theta, which is equal to p taking common sin alpha dot sin theta plus cos alpha dot cos theta. Again, what will happen now? Now see, cos alpha dot sin theta minus sin alpha dot cos theta. This is a trigonometric equation, trigonometric formula, and sin alpha dot sin theta plus cos alpha dot cos theta. So here we will having W by P, W by P is equal to sin alpha dot sin theta plus cos alpha dot cos theta divided by cos alpha dot sin theta minus sin alpha dot cos theta. This will be sin theta minus alpha, and this will be, the denominator will be cos theta minus alpha. Okay, let me write the equation here. See, sin alpha dot sin theta plus cos alpha dot cos theta, this will be cos theta minus alpha, and cos alpha dot sin theta dot minus sin alpha dot cos theta, that will be sin theta minus alpha. Implies that here W by P is equal to cot theta minus alpha. Imply that we have to find out the value of P. So P will be equal to W by cot theta minus alpha, that is W tan theta minus alpha. Or in a nutshell, or in a gist, we have P is equal to W dot tan theta minus alpha. This P is P minimum. Here I have mentioned in the figure P minimum. So we may write P minimum is equal to W dot tan theta minus alpha. We have to drag this body towards upwards. In that condition, there will not be P minimum. There will be P maximum. जब हम ऊपर को टाणीबू तो मिनिमम फोर्स हमको दरकार पड़िबोनी, हमको मैक्सिमम किछि फोर्स दरकार पड़िबो. माने ऊपर को हम टाणला को कोन हबो, किछिटा अधिक फोर्स दरकार ना, तो सेत पय हमको P मैक्सिमम दरकार. तो जेमिति ए रिलेशन टा बाहरला फॉर मिनिमम फोर्स और मिनिमम एफर्ट, सिमिलरली मैक्सिमम फोर्स पई हमको सिमिलर टाइप रे हमें डिराइव करिवो, एंड दैट डेरिवेशन विल बी हैविंग ए डिफरेंट फिगर. कौन से डिफरेंट अछि फिगर रे, से केस रे हमको P मैक्सिमम दरकार. P मैक्सिमम पहले कोन हबो, जतले ए बॉडी टाको हमें ऊपर को ड्रैग करके नबू, फ्रिक्शन विल डेफिनेटली हैपन टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट. तो सेते बेले कोन हे जिवो, फ्रिक्शन टा I am talking about when the maximum force is required to drag the body towards upwards, सेते बेले कोन हबो, फ्रिक्शन टा डाउनवर्ड पड़िबो. खाली एतिक डिफरेंस अछि जे मिनिमम बेले फ्रिक्शन टा कोड पडुची आ मैक्सिमम बेले फ्रिक्शन टा कोड पडुची. So this is all about maximum force required to drag the body along the inclined plane and the maximum force applied horizontally or parallel to the horizontal surface. से केस रे फिगर एबळे हबो. तो ए फिगर रु हमें त फोर्स एंड रिएक्शन को हमें एनालिसिस करिवु, एनालिटिकल मेथड हो कि रिजोल्यूशन मेथड हो, सिमिलर प्रोसेस रे कले हमें फाइनली मैक्सिमम फोर्स हमें कोन पाइबु कि W डॉट tan theta plus alpha. So here let me tell you one more peculiar thing. See, जत्ते बेले भी हमें मिनिमम फोर्स हम दबु तो थोड़ा थीटा माइनस अल्फा कंडीशन रे आसीबो, काहे कि ना मिनिमम एफर्ट पई थीटा इज ऑलवेज In general cases theta is always greater than the alpha. So जतबे हमें मिनिमम दरकार पडुची सेतबे हमको मिनिमम फोर्स पई फार्मूला टा मन रखे हम इजी केते हम केते जानबो जे फार्मूला टा कोन पई दरकार मैक्सिमम पई कोन फार्मूला हबो मिनिमम पई कोन फार्मूला हबो मैक्सिमम पई सबले थीटा प्लस अल्फा टर्म रे हमर फार्मूला आसी जी ऑटोमेटिकली हम रिजल्व करले ऑटोमेटिकली आसी जी और मिनिमम टर्म रे मिनिमम पई कोन हबो जे सबले थीटा माइनस अल्फा टर्म रे आसीबो प्रीवियसली हम डिस्कस करथिलु. So here we are getting two formulas for one is for minimum force and another is for maximum force. तो आकु बेस करके हम एबे गुटे प्रॉब्लम करिवो so that the theories will be crystal clear. हम एबे जीवो गुटे प्रॉब्लम करिवो बेस करके ए थ्योरी ऊपर बेस करके गुटे प्रॉब्लम करिवो न्यूमेरिकल प्रॉब्लम. So example question is an object of weight is given 100 Newton is kept in position on a plane inclined 30 degree to the horizontal. That means inclined plane is making 30 degree to the horizontal plane by horizontally applied force F. एठी F देछि बेले बेले हमें P भी नो मैक्सिमम बुक्स रे हेटा P हिसाब रे दिया जाय क्वेश्चन रे किंतु F दिया अछि किछ प्रॉब्लम नै. If the coefficient of friction of the surface of the inclined plane is 0.25, determine the minimum magnitude of the force F. See now question रे हमको पचारि छी we have been asked to find out 2p found out p minimum. What is the value of p minimum for which a body which is resting on a rough inclined plane, which plane is making how many degrees? 30 degree. 30 degree. Theta is given 30 degree. Weight is also given. Weight is given 100 Newton. 100 Newton. If the coefficient of friction of the surface of the inclined plane is 0.25, mu is also given, that is 0.25. Mu given means tan alpha given. From this relation, alpha can be easily found out from this relation. So alpha will be tan inverse 0.25, that is 14 degree, and theta is also given. W is given 100 Newton, weight is given 100 Newton. So this condition, let me draw the P minimum. This is P minimum, say friction will happen towards upward, and this is the normal direction. We have discussed the problem, discussed the mathematical expression for P minimum, that is directly putting the formula P minimum is equal to W tan theta minus alpha, that will be 100 dot tan of theta is 30 degree minus alpha is 14 degree. The answer will be 28.7 Newton something. You can find it easily by putting in calculator. So this is the minimum force required to hold this body on the right place in the inclined plane, माने तोड़ को बढ़िया को दबा नहीं. Similarly, question is not there. If it will be asked, find out the maximum force, you can easily putting the formula for maximum force, you can find out the P maximum also. So this is all about equilibrium of a body on the inclined plane when force is applied horizontally or parallel to the horizon. So in this